play the game!
Hello and welcome to day 3, Pointers Day. Pointers are a new variable type that I'm going to teach you. It's one of the most useful types of variables in C. It's the one that will allow you to process another variable's address and modify it remotely. And that's what we're going to have a look at in a few moments. In order to use pointers, you need to understand something important first. That something is memory. When a process is launched, it has the right to virtually have all the existing memory. With 32 bits, we'll be at 4 gigs, and with 64 bits, we'll be at much more. I don't know the numbers by heart, but it's 2 to the power of 64. There, you do the maths. So, this is virtual memory, which means that behind this memory, whether it's mapped somewhere on the RAM, or on the hard drive, or wherever else, do some research and check out SWAP, and you might understand this better. This memory is mapped by something called MMU, which allows you to reserve memory somewhere physically on the computer. However, given a process has its own memory, it does what it wants with it. The memory is divided into 2 parts, high memory and low memory. We call high memory stack. I don't know if you've heard this before, but the stack is used every time you call a function, every time you do anything, etc. When you type int a colon, for example, in your main, let's say you've just allocated 4 bits or 8, depending on which architecture we're using on the stack. So on the high part of the memory, so you're all the way at the top, at the level of 2 to the power of 64. And little by little, you go down along the stack. The more elements you add, the further down the stack you'll go. On the other hand, you've got low memory, also called heap. A notion we'll explore some other day. The heap is the place where you can allocate memory. Again, that's for another day. In the next videos, we'll learn how pointers work and what they're for, etc.